I'm not so sure how you can continue to keep up with this kind of intraday trading. Maybe you really enjoy the process of like monitoring the market throughout the whole day and to get in trades and manage the trade throughout the whole day. But it might come to a point, I realize that when I speak to quite a number of intraday traders, it might come to a point where you reach your 40 years old, 45 years old. It might come to a point where this can become too exhausting for you. You don't have the energy.
Exhausting.
Yes. Yes. So which means that you probably would have to look at intraday trading as a part of your trading journey, where it might come to an end, maybe in another few years or when you feel like your energy and your passion really is not there anymore. And hopefully by then you would have generated or built up a very significant amount of capital base where you can slowly move on to a longer term swing trading or even position trading from there. But as a conclusion to your intraday trading, I was thinking maybe from the angle of, if you are very confident with your current intraday trading strategy and your profitability, your winning ratio, your payoff ratio are all showing you very consistent returns, then maybe one way that you can actually generate cash faster from your intraday trading would be to consider using more leverage. Because if you have already been trading intraday for 2 years using the same system and it has been giving you pretty consistent positive equity curve with a very consistent drawdown, then maybe like increasing your leverage by 50% to 100%, you could also potentially increase this 25% annualized return to something between 40% return to or 50% return, depending on the amount of leverage that you use. So it might not be a bad thing if your system is already very stable and your drawdown is very predictable.